In this video, I will show you the specific file upload limits for ChatGPT Plus. Let's get started. I'll begin here on the ChatGPT home screen. To start an upload, I'll move my cursor to the chat bar and click the plus icon, then select the option to upload photos and files. This immediately opens my system's file explorer. I'm going to navigate through my documents to find a specific set of files I want to process. I'll head into my Downloads folder and try to select a large group of files all at once to see how the system handles a bulk request. As I click Open, you'll notice a red error message appears at the very top of the interface, clearly stating that I can only upload 20 files at a single time. After closing that notification, I want to verify these limits further, so I'll switch over to an official reference page to look at the storage and usage caps. As I scroll down to the section regarding projects and file management, the breakdown becomes clear. I can see that while Plus users are limited to 20 files per project, those on Pro, Team, or Enterprise plans can handle up to 40 files per project. Additionally, it's important to note that these uploads count toward a broader limit of 80 files every 3 hours for Plus accounts. Finally, looking at the bottom of this section, it's confirmed that free users are much more restricted, with a limit of only 3 file uploads per day. Knowing these caps helps you plan your workflow and manage your data more effectively. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.